Hello everybody, my name is Austin, otherwise known as Streetlight Spirit, and you are watching stay-at-home guitar lessons with me. So today, as I promised in my other video, we're going to learn how to play a song. That song being Eleanor, Rigby by the Beatles. It's just 2 chords, one of which you already know from our previous video. That's an E minor chord. And we're going to add one more chord onto that, and that's going to be called a C major chord. So the E minor chord, you're going to start with your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the A string, and your middle finger is going to squeeze on in there on the 2nd fret on the D string, and you're going to strum all the strings. For the C major chord, you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to move that to the A string on the 3rd fret, and then you're going to take your middle finger right below it, put it on the 2nd fret on the D string, and finally the coup de grace, pointer finger on the B string, 1st fret. And you're going to strum from the A string down. Alright, so we got the chords, so let's put it into action. The first part, the part, you're going to use C major first. And you strum that 4 times. Down and up. So down 2, and then up 4. Interchanging between them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to do exactly the same thing for our E minor chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to preface this again. It's not going to sound like this when you're first starting out. It's going to sound more like this. Or something along those lines. And also, it might be tough to switch in between chords when you're first starting out. It's all practice. You're learning a new skill. Give yourself a break. Before we continue, I should also note that I can't actually play Eleanor, Rigby by the Beatles, but I can do a version with my lyrics. So it may sound a little different. Bear with me. So with the 2 chords put together, this is kind of what you're shooting for. I want a big old cheesy burrito. Again. I really miss the Golden Girls show. Okay, so that's that section. Alright, so next part. E minor, 12 times. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, then we're going to switch to C, down 6 times, up, down, up, down, up, back to E minor 2 times. Okay, and that's kind of like the verse part, so you might recognize the Eleanor Bigsby, she likes to watch NFL in a house down in Queens. She is obscene, right? Something like that. So the final part is just E minor straight 16 times. All the lonely nuggets, why aren't they in my mouth? I guess I am hungry, it makes me scream and pout. Now if you want an extra challenge, you can put your pinky finger on the 3rd fret on the B string, like so, and you're going to strum that twice, and then you're going to scooch it on down, or you can switch to your ring finger to the 2nd fret on the B string, strum that twice, then we're going down again. You might want to switch your fingers up for this, and you're going to put your pointer finger on the 1st fret on the B string, strum twice, and then back to our E minor chord. So you get this kind of effect. I really want some cheese. So there you have it. That's the song. Let me know if that was helpful, and let me know what you want to learn next. Adios! All my friends are happy when I kick the dirt. Dark. All the lonely... I almost actually sang it. And add your pinky finger. Oh god, it's falling off. Oh god!